To create a Charles Schwab account, start by going to the Charles Schwab website and clicking on the Open an Account button. This will take you to a page where you can choose the type of account you want to open, such as a brokerage account, IRA, or a retirement account. Select the account type that best fits your needs and click on it to proceed. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. You will also need to provide employment information and financial details, such as your income and net worth. After providing the required information, you will need to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from a bank account, mailing a check, or wiring funds. The minimum amount required to open a Charles Schwab account varies depending on the type of account, but it is typically around $1,000. Once your account is funded, you can start investing in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Charles Schwab offers a range of investment products and services, including research and analysis tools, to help you make informed investment decisions. To manage your account, you can use the Charles Schwab website or mobile app. The website and app allow you to view your account balances, track your investments, and make trades. You can also set up account alerts and notifications to stay on top of your account activity. It is essential to understand the fees associated with a Charles Schwab account. The company charges commissions on trades, as well as management fees for certain investment products. However, Charles Schwab is known for its competitive pricing and low fees, making it a popular choice among investors. In conclusion, opening a Charles Schwab account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or by phone. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and fees associated with a Charles Schwab account, you can start investing and managing your finances with confidence. Charles Schwab offers a range of investment products and services, making it a great choice for both beginner and experienced investors.